Hello, and welcome to this English listening practice lecture designed to help you improve your understanding, pronunciation, and overall communication skills. Listening is one of the most important skills in learning English because it exposes you to natural speech, different accents, and everyday vocabulary used by native speakers. In this lecture, you will hear clear and engaging spoken English on a variety of topics. You will practice listening for both the main ideas and important details, which will help you follow conversations, lectures, and real-life interactions more easily. As you listen, try to focus on the speaker's tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Don't worry if you don't understand every word at first. Concentrate on the overall meaning and gradually build your confidence. After listening, you will have opportunities to answer questions, summarize what you heard, and practice speaking. Based on the content, this approach will help you develop natural listening habits and improve your fluency. Let's begin this journey to enhance your English listening skills and become a more confident communicator. Part 1. English is attainable. Many learners feel nervous or hesitant when speaking English, even if they know the grammar and vocabulary. This fear often causes them to freeze or avoid speaking altogether. But here's the good news. English is an attainable language, and you can become fluent faster than you think. The key is to overcome fear and practice speaking naturally without worrying about mistakes. Part 2. Natural language acquisition techniques. Forget about memorizing complex grammar rules or fearing mistakes. These are barriers, not stepping stones. Think about how you learned your first language, by listening, copying, and practicing daily. The same applies to English. Immerse yourself in English like it's part of your daily life. Listen to English conversations, songs, podcasts, or videos. Repeat phrases and sentences you hear. Practice speaking regularly, even if it's just to yourself. This natural approach transforms learning from a chore into an enjoyable journey. Part 3. Mindset shift for language learning. Your mindset plays a huge role in your success. Believe that learning English is easy and achievable. Just like babies who fall many times before walking, you will make mistakes, and that's okay. Embrace mistakes as part of the learning process. Use positive affirmations such as, "I am learning and improving every day." Stay persistent and patient with yourself. This positive mindset will keep you motivated and reduce anxiety. Part 4. Creating an English immersion environment. To truly improve, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone and computer settings to English. Think in English instead of translating from your native language. Talk to yourself in English, self-talk, to build confidence. Label objects in your home with English words. Focus on speaking simple sentences rather than perfect grammar. Mimic native speakers' pronunciation and intonation. This immersion helps your brain adapt to English naturally. Part 5. Daily practice and real-life conversations. Integrate English into your everyday activities. Narrate your daily routine out loud in English. Greet family members or friends using simple English phrases. Practice speaking while shopping or doing chores. Repeat and memorize common phrases you hear. Engage in simple conversations with others, even if brief. Daily practice builds comfort and fluency over time. Part 6. Improving pronunciation and confidence. Many learners hesitate because they fear making pronunciation mistakes. Here's how to improve. Listen carefully to native speakers and mimic their sounds. Speak slowly and clearly at first. Record your voice and compare it to native speakers. Don't focus too much on errors. Keep speaking. Use the 3-second rule. Respond within 3 seconds to keep conversations flowing. Confidence grows with consistent speaking practice. Part 7. Thinking in English for fluency. To speak fluently, train your brain to think directly in English instead of translating. Start with simple words and sentences. Practice daily self-talk in English. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, and read books. Speak with others in English regularly. This mental shift reduces hesitation and speeds up your responses. Part 8. The importance of consistent practice. Learning English opens doors to better jobs, travel, and cultural understanding. The key to success is consistent practice. Practice a little every day, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. They are part of learning. Celebrate small improvements to stay motivated. Use language learning apps, join conversation groups, or find language partners. With dedication, you will become confident and fluent. The main idea is the central point or the most important message the speaker wants to convey. When you listen to the main idea, you focus on understanding the general topic or purpose of the speech rather than every single word. For example, if someone says, "Today, I want to talk about the benefits of exercise." Regular physical activity improves your health, boosts your mood, and increases energy. The main idea is that exercise has many benefits for your health and well-being. Details are the supporting facts, examples, or explanations that clarify or prove the main idea. Listening for details means paying attention to specific information that helps you understand the topic better. For example, exercise improves health, exercise boosts mood, exercise increases energy. Tips for listening to main ideas and details. 1. Preview the topic. If possible, know the topic beforehand. This helps your brain prepare to recognize key information. 2. Listen for signal words. Words like first, for example, in conclusion, or the main point is, often indicate important ideas or details. 3. Focus on repetition. Speakers often repeat main ideas or important details for emphasis. 4. Take notes. Jot down keywords or phrases to help remember the main points and details. 5. Summarize. After listening, try to summarize the main idea in your own words and list key details. 6. Practice exercise. Listen to this short passage and identify the main idea and 2 supporting details. Learning English can open many doors. It helps you find better jobs, communicate with people worldwide, and access more information through books and the internet. Learning English offers many opportunities. It helps with jobs, communication, and accessing information. Why is this skill important? Helps you understand lectures, news, and conversations better. Enables you to follow instructions and directions accurately. Improves your ability to participate in discussions and respond appropriately. My final advice: practice. Listening to short talks, podcasts, or videos, and try to identify the main ideas and details. Over time, this skill will become natural and will greatly improve your overall English comprehension. Improving your English listening skills requires a combination of overcoming fear, immersing yourself in the language, adopting a positive mindset, and practicing consistently. Focus on understanding main ideas and details, improving pronunciation, and thinking in English. Use varied materials and real-life conversations to make learning practical and enjoyable. With dedication and daily practice, you will become a confident and fluent English speaker. Keep listening, keep speaking, and enjoy your English learning journey. This lecture structure provides a balanced mix of motivation, techniques, and practical exercises to help learners develop strong listening and speaking skills in English. Keep practicing and enjoy your progress.